Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PHOT. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one a couple times before, but it's been a while since I've done it. I think the last time I did do it was after this pretty crazy day here, and as you can see, a couple days consolidated, then went down here. But the good thing that I like about the chart is that you wanted to see the purple line here hold, which is the 50-day simple moving average, and although it did not hold right here on this day with the close below it, the next day it got right back above it, and since then has been heading back upwards. So this is definitely right here the exception and not the rule. Usually charts, when you see this sort of action, it's kind of like, all right, game over for now. But PHOT definitely bucked the trend and kind of broke the rules in terms of what normally happens. So just a nice sign of strength here by the bulls to just get the price not only back above the moving average, but start to separate from it from the upside. So nice little sign of strength there, in and of itself. So that's just one reason to kind of really like the chart. And I guarantee when chartists pull this up, that's what they noticed was, wow, what a recovery after breaking through. Breaking downside to the downside of the 50-day, what a nice recovery. So that's a nice little talking point right there. Now in terms of all these lines, these are from previous videos I've done. If you want to see where they come from, you can check those out. But for the point of this video, I just kind of want to clean up the chart a little bit so things aren't so confusing, and just kind of talk about things now from kind of a clean slate, if you will. So again, I already talked about that, but with the price back above that purple line there, 50-day simple moving average, this is the key and very important level of support. So that's the key level of support you're going to want to focus on. In terms of resistance levels, the level that is sticking out here is more of I'm just going to call it a resistance zone, and that is coming in the form of these highs over here. So you can see a couple highs over there at 0.095 knocked down the price, and then a couple weeks later it got up as high as 0.098. So 0.095 to 0.098 is what I would call their little resistance zone right here. You can see the price got up into it today but was not able to close up there, ended up closing below. So this little zone here is going to be kind of the public enemy number one, and then after that you have pretty much kind of a little miniature blue sky breakout up there at 10.5 cents. I talked about that level before. But first steps first, one step at a time, and that next step being needing to break through and more importantly close above this little resistance zone one more time, that being between 0.095 and 0.098. So that's where the chart currently stands. Nice to see it just green day after day and venturing up into this area here. If it does pull back, I should note probably a shorter term level of support. On any sort of pullback, best case would be if it could hold above 0.091, but if it doesn't, like I said, no need to panic because you still do have this important moving average down there. So it's not like the chart's gonna all of a sudden turn bearish or something like that if this level fails. But if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the best, it would be if this level could continue to hold as support. But all in all, nice looking chart and a very solid recovery. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting, I'd encourage you to click on the image up above. We have courses designed for both the beginner to advanced trader. So whether you're new to charts or already use them, I'm sure you can find a course that'll suit you, all available in instant download format. They've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I'd encourage you to check them out. In fact, we just released a new course this week, Trampoline Trading, talking all about how to master the bounce trade and find short squeezes before they happen. So I'd really encourage you to check that one out. One more time, PHOT. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.